So yeah, what are the few things that we should not consider after watching the news of celebrities getting suicide and someone getting depressed? What are the things that we should make sure that we are not taking that to mind? So this is what I wanted to cover in this video. I'm Bhanu, behind the person behind Bhanu Stuff, and this will be a short video giving, as I felt this will be very important for many of you, so and that's why I'm here. So let me start by considering myself as a celebrity, right? So as a celebrity, I will appear as if I am very successful, right? I will be having lots of fans. People are always there to take my autographs, to even see me. So it's kind of like it's a kind of huge fan club and all. So this is what we know. We also, like, let's say I am also financially stable. I will be having lots of costly cars. I will be having a good flat, and I will be in a good relation. Or there are several things to say. As a celebrity, I will be enjoying so many things, and as a and appear as if I am very highly successful. But wait, that is just only the one side of my face, which I've been showing to you people as a general person you are watching. So as a celebrity, I will be showing only that face. And by the way, I am having another face of mine, the behind person of mine, who might be having different thoughts running apart from this. So regardless of the fans, regardless of the financial status and all, I might be having so many issues. Like, let's say, I will take some examples. Let's say I want to go for shopping. I'm fond of shopping, let's say. Okay, so I might not get so much freedom to go out and do shopping for hours, freedom as if freely, right? I might be surrounded by people. People will not allow me to move freely. So there will be a lot of attention happening, which I might not feel good. So I might be facing this issue. I might not be happy with that. And as another example, let's say I like tripping. I like going for a bike ride, long rides, and stay at hill stations and observe the nature and all. So if I go, obviously I will be surrounded by people, and I might not find the privacy which I wanted to enjoy as an individual, right? So this kind of hurts, because the things which I like, even if I am successful, I am not able to get that. I might end up feeling like, God, what is the use of being a celebrity, or what is the use of having so much the name of success, because if I am not able to enjoy my own interest. So maybe that thoughts might make me weak, right? So that might these are just some examples. There are several examples which can make me feel low. Like, for example, let's say I have issues with my relation. It could be possible. I might have relation with my family. Let's say because I am successful, maybe there are some jealous people out there who might put pressure on me, who might spread negative of me, or even threaten me to do something, right? So these are all things which are happening behind me, which I might not be projecting to you. So that's what I'm saying. Despite I being a celebrity, despite I appear as if I am very successful, there are things which are actually trying to pull me. If not happening to every celebrity or successful person, this might happen to many, right? So like I said, I might lost my freedom. I might not be able to do so many things, and I will end up with some pressures, right? Relation failures, family issues, so many things. So why I am saying this? So the reason why I want to say this is, don't ever compare your life with celebrities or successful people's life, because this is not actually proper, because their life is different from yours. Your scenario is different, their scenario is different, whatever the media coverage, whatever the success, whatever the smiles you are seeing from the celebrities are only what they are showing us, right? So we are not aware of what is happening within them. There are so many things happening, like I already covered. So why I want to say this, the recent media coverage of the great actor Sushant is actually making many of us feel bad, and also many of us think that if something is happening to celebrity, it might also happen to us. So many of us are thinking like that, which is really bad, because see, like I said, the scenarios are different, the person to person variations. Even if I appear very strong, even if I appear like I am very happy, cheerful outside, there might be few things which might be, you know, hurting me inside. Like it could be small things also, like I said, I like traveling. What is the purpose of my life if I am not able to travel, despite I am having so many, you know, let's say costly bike or costly, you know, BMW car? No purpose, right? So that might, you know, affect me, that as a celebrity, that might make me feel low, and get me depressed or take me to some other state. Okay, so there are so many possibilities. So the thing is, we should not compare our lives with their lives. We should take that positively, and we should learn how to be strong. What is that they have missed? What is that we are blessed, right? What is that? What is the circle we have, like friends, or like relations? How strong they are? How strong we are? So this we should never ever, you know, get those kind of thoughts. And if that is happening, then it is very well and good. Otherwise, comparing is going to end up in some other state, and it might unnecessarily take our time as well as state of mind. It is going to change our life. So that's what I wanted to cover. So I will be very happy if you take things positive, if you you know, if you are not, you know, affected by the so many media coverages which is showing something which might be complicating your thoughts, which might be making you sleepless during nights. Why this has happened to this guy? He is so good. There might be several reasons, and if that is happened to such people, will it happen to me also? Don't think that way. It will not happen. There are people who care about you. There are people who want you to be there. So this will not happen. This will never happen. Just remember that. All we can do is, let's pray for them, and let's pray the remaining people who are successful, and let's think that similar situations will not happen, and they will be strong like we are strong. Fine. So that's what I wanted to cover. I just ended up doing this video very quickly because I am seeing my own friends having these thoughts. I mean, getting, you know, depressed of the incident happened with Sushant, and many of my friends are actually you know, getting different thoughts, so which is actually bad. So let's get out of this situation. Let's take positively. Let's make our life happy as usual, and ever after also. And as much as possible, let us end up helping as many people as possible. That's it. And for your information, if ever you or your friends are feeling lonely, I have some set of videos released which is related to how to overcome loneliness. And I'm also going to release videos on depression, considering the recent lockdowns and all, why people are ending up. Probably you might want to check. And as usual, I'm not interested in your likes. I'm not interested in subscribes or shares. I just want to put my thoughts, and if that is helping someone, I'm very happy. That's it. So that's it for today. This is Panu, and thanks for watching. Bye. Have a good day.